Hello everyone, and welcome to the September 2025 Perfectly Pieced unboxing. I'm Jen from Me Time, and I'm excited to show you what you're going to get this month. Let's get started. All right, so the block this month is called the 4 Flying Geese block. This block includes 3 of the little flying geese along with 1 big flying geese right here on the side. This is such a fun, versatile block because it makes so many different tumbles. You can have all kinds of projects that you make with this one. Now remember, you get this in 4 sizes: the 8-inch, the 6-inch, the 4-inch, and the itty bitty little tiny 2-inch. Isn't that cute? Now that would be hard to do just piecing traditionally on your own, but in an embroidery machine, these lines are crisp and clear, and it's just so cute if you wanted to make the 2-inch block. All right, so let's talk about the quilting for this month. The block by block quilting is this fun, really cute lotus flower that will go on the flying geese. So we've got the 3 little lotus flowers here and 1 big lotus flower here. And when you put these all together in your tumbles, it just really makes your project pop. We have an all over quilting design that you'll get to use with your clear blue tiles. And what it is that lotus flower with curvy lines all over. And look how fun that looks. Won't that be so cute in your projects? And remember, you can use these quilting designs in this project as well as other projects that you have. And the borders, you get a 1-inch and a 2-inch border. And this is just a fun little design that's going to go perfectly with your other quilting and in your projects, but it's perfect for other projects besides the 4 Flying Geese block. All right, well, let's talk about what you get in the box. All righty. Remember that you get the full color step-by-step instructions that show you how to make the block. You get the collectible pin. This kind of gives you a hint on one of our tumbles for this month. You get a thread that coordinates with the fabrics for that month. And you get a notion or materials needed to make this special project. And then these are leather straps that you're going to use for this special project. There's 2 leather straps in there, and we're going to make a bag this month. And I'll show you that here in just a minute. And of course, you get our beautiful fabric bundle. Look at those colors. The colors this month are so perfect for fall and really fun. This is our main feature fabric. It has the oranges and the blues and the dark blues, and such a fun all over pattern on there with flowers and different types of flowers and leaves and all of that. Perfect for fall. We have this orange fabric here that are kind of X's on there, and you get this beautiful ochre rusty colored with these blossom flowers on there, and this tan that has these leaves scattered about on that fabric, and this blue that has polka dots all over it, this tiny petite polka dots. And then we have this fun little weave pattern for the dark navy blue and just a solid blue, perfect for our binding. And all of that are the fabrics that you're going to get this month. So let's talk about the projects that we have. We have 3 different pillows or table toppers for you. This is the 4-inch block. Look how it kind of makes these geese here, depending on where you put the fabric, make this fun little star. And then you have these rows of flying geese. And that's the 4-inch project. Our 6-inch project kind of makes this little bow tie here in the middle with these 2 bigger bow ties here, and just kind of depending on how you turn that project, with this 1-inch border and the 2-inch border on the outside. I love how we, this month we wanted to have the backdrop of the block be a darker color. Usually we do kind of like a whites or creams or kind of a lighter color, but we wanted the back to be a dark and just kind of make the block just pop. And here's our 8-inch with, it makes a fun pinwheel right there in the middle. And then we get these triangles and flying geese around the edge. You can see on this one is our block by block quilting that we've done. And you can see how that just really just enhances the kind of rounded parts of the flower petal, kind of help balance the very straight lines of the triangles. My favorite project for this month is our special project, and we have made a bag with the blocks. Look at how darling that is. We've got enough fabric for you to make both sides of that bag. And then again, you're gonna get the straps in your box so you can add those to it. You don't have to go track down any straps. And this bag is fully lined. And we give you instructions to show you how to make this whole thing lined and everything. And we boxed the corners this month. It's just such a perfect bag. I wonder what are you gonna make with this bag, or what are you gonna use it for? What would you put in that? I just love it. So those are the projects for this month. Let me tell you what we're gonna do for our giveaway. We have a fun giveaway this month. We're gonna do a fabric bundle. You always get an extra fabric bundle. Plus we have these snips here, the Kimberbell scissor snips that are perfect for perfectly pieced as we're trimming the fabric and cutting threads. And one of my favorite tools is this rotating cutting mat. So you'll get the fabric bundle, the snips, and the cutting mat for the giveaway this month. And what I would love to hear from you is in the comments, write down what traditional block would you like to see in perfectly pieced. And let us know in the comments, and we're gonna announce the winner on Friday. So stay tuned, see if you won the giveaway this month. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you go enjoy some well-deserved me time.